Yep, quick video on how to install and replace just a thermostat on a Land Rover 4.4 liter V8. So yep, this is it right here. It's got 3 hoses. First thing you do, you take I got a lot of things going on, but yeah, you take your engine cover off, and it's like right here, real easy and accessible. Come on, focus. There you go. So you take this little one, put it over there. You take this medium one down here, loosen it up. The big one, yep. Then you got some torque bolts over here. I think they're 25 T25. Take those out. Like I said, it's a quick video how to replace your thermostat, not the housing, which was you're thinking about the long run. You should replace, check it and replace it along with all the hoses, because you never know. And there it is. Oh yeah, you should replace your O-ring right here, but for some reason mine didn't come with it, so I'm just gonna skip it. Yeah, this is it. Let's see what I can do, because sometimes these things are, you know what I'm saying, they're a little bit tricky. You gotta press it down with some. I'm using that these weird pliers that I've had for a long time. So yeah, let's see, how hard could it be? Oh yeah, it's pretty hard. You gotta twist it. Oh yeah, just like that. Clockwise, twist it. You press it down, and then clockwise you turn it. So take your old stove out. Oh yeah. I don't know if that's supposed to happen, but we'll see right now. I think it goes in there. Yeah. So yeah, I might want to clean it up a little bit. Alrighty, so same thing. You got your thermostat. Just put it in there, just like that, real easy. These, they're messed up if that rubber is a little bit messed up, but I'm replacing a bunch of things, so might as well. And you put the spring with the smaller one, the bottom. This little spring, make sure you put the bigger one inside the little housing here. And that's it. Now this is where you gotta press it in. You press it in and then put it in place. Like I said, you're gonna use these. They got some specialty. It's got like an O-ring, like a ring to it. But I use these. They still work. Okay. There we go. Come on. And you gotta compress all this stuff. Hold up, ain't got it. Go a little bit higher. Right there. Alright. Oh yeah. That's it. Make sure you turn it all the way. Make sure it's placed. Oh snap. It's almost there. Boom, voila. So that's how you do it. Takes a little work, you know. Might as well. You gotta have something like that. Otherwise, it's gonna be real hard. Clean your surface. Like I said, for some reason, this kit didn't come with the ring, with the O-ring that goes around here. So I recommended to always change it out. But like I said, it didn't come with it. Maybe next time. I hope not. So all you do is put it right back. Oh, my bad. Put it right back where you took it out of. There it is. Put your 3 torque. You put your 3 torque screws in there. Big holes in there. Medium holes underneath. Small one right there. And you're done. That's how you change a thermostat on this 4.4 liter. So, yep. That's it. Have a good one.